Ni hao everybody, Sebastian here, chef based out of Melbourne, Australia. I'm so excited to tell you that one of the most amazing things about the Yes You Can flour, especially this plain flour, is that it is gluten-free. And this time, I'm going to teach you how to do a very beautiful, simple, delicious jiazi, which is the perfect pork dumplings that you can enjoy with your friends and family during this festive season of the Chinese New Year. 准备好了吗？ Chiracha, New Nyong, Kuai Le. Happy Chinese New Year, everybody. Hope you enjoy this delicious, simple but easy gluten-free recipe.